A major commercial hub, Vijayawada is known as the business capital of Andhra Pradesh. Located on the banks of the Krishna River, Vijayawada is the second largest city of Andhra Pradesh. And as of 2011 census, its population exceeds 1 million.
This city has got best clean city award few years back, but because of sudden rise in population and huge floating population into the city, now it is facing the challenge of sanitation in all parts of the city.
Vijayawada generates municipal solid waste up to 530 tons per day, and like any other urban centre, faces challenges in collection, transportation, treatment and disposal of solid waste. In the past decade, the VMC has worked on enforcing source segregation and establishing a door-to-door collection system. On realizing that 70% of the city's solid waste is organic in nature and can be converted to manure, the Vijayawada Municipal Corporation decided to turn this into an opportunity by setting up numerous vermicomposting units in the city. When treated, this organic waste not only yields rich manure, it helps in mitigation of greenhouse gases.
Daily 550 టన్నుల చెత్త వస్తుంది విజయవాడ. ఈ 550 టన్నుల చెత్త చేయడానికి చాలా వెహికల్స్ కానీ ఖర్చు కానీ కూడుకున్నది. అందుకే దీన్ని వర్మీ కంపోస్ట్ అని చెప్పి విజయవాడలో సుమారుగా 26 వర్మీ కంపోస్ట్ ఉన్నాయి.
The corporation began 11 such vermicomposting units in Vijayawada. The VMC vehicles unload the collected mixed waste at the premises of the plant. This waste is sorted manually for removal of any non-biodegradable fraction. Additionally, material like green chilies need to be removed, since worms are sensitive to hot or spicy items. Vermicomposting consists of an initial pre-composting step using the aerobic windrow method. In this stage, waste is mixed with cow dung or manure and then spread on a compost pad. The compost pad is a cement concrete or stone slab with a slope of about 1% for the collection of excess water called leachate in a tank located in the lowest corner of the composting pad area. This nutrient-rich leachate is collected and reused for watering. Turning of the heap and maintaining the moisture content is vital for the decomposition of waste. A simple way to check moisture content is by squeezing the waste. If the water drips, then the moisture content is too high and bits of paper and hay must be added. If it is too dry, then water must be sprinkled. After 14 days, when the waste is partly decomposed, it is transferred to the vermicomposting pad, which is an area where vermicomposting tanks are placed. Either granite slabs or concrete is used for the construction of the tanks. Holes at the bottom allow free drainage of leachate into the collection pond located in the lowest corner. The waste is turned and sprinkled with water using rakes, and earthworms are introduced to the tank. Earthworms like Ferretima elongata and Edurulis are commonly used. The vermicompost pad must also be covered by a roof to protect the worms from heat and rain. Retaining moisture content of the waste and measuring the temperature are important factors for protecting the worms. Hay and grass also need to be constantly removed to ensure the right carbon-nitrogen content. The vermicomposting process usually takes between 30 to 45 days, post which the worms excrete dark, odorless, nutrient and organically rich soil mud granules called worm castings that make an excellent soil conditioner. Each tank is monitored for the development of these worm castings, formed on the top layer, which is carefully scooped out and collected every day. The collected compost is screened using a 4mm sieve. It is then weighed, bagged and sold as vermicompost.
వచ్చినటువంటి చెత్తని శాస్త్రీయ పద్ధతిలో పరిసరాలకి పర్యావరణానికి హాని లేకుండా మంచి సక్రమమైన పద్ధతిలో డిస్పోజ్ చేయటమే కాకుండా ఈ చెత్త నుంచి సంపదను కూడా సృష్టించాలి అనేటటువంటి ఒక వచ్చినటువంటి ఆ ఎరువు తయారుగా వచ్చినటువంటి ఇక్కడ మనకు అవసరమైనటువంటి ఇంప్లిమెంట్స్ ఏవైతే మనం వీళ్ళు దాన్ని సెపరేట్ చేయడానికి అవసరమైనటువంటి స్పేడ్స్ కానీ లేదా బ్రూమ్స్ కానీ లేకపోతే డస్ట్బిన్స్ కానీ ఇలాంటి చిన్నటువంటి పరికరాలు కానీ లేదా ఈ వర్మీ ప్లాంట్కి అవసరమైనటువంటి చిన్న రిపేర్లు కానీ ఇవన్నీ కూడా వచ్చినటువంటి అమౌంట్ తోటే మీట్ అవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది సార్.
Two issues. Number one is lifting of the garbage will be decreased. Number two is we will get the Sendriya salmon. They will be sold out. So many people take over the vegetable agriculture people and other people also they sold out.
Vermicomposting requires no energy input for aeration and produces a valuable ready-to-use fertilizer. The manure created here is utilized for improving the green cover of the city and also made available for sale to citizens.
ఈ ఎరువు మేము ఎప్పటి నుంచో వాడుతున్నామండి. దీని గురించి తెలుసుకున్నప్పటి నుంచి 5-6 years నుంచి దీని వల్ల మొక్కలు కూడా చాలా హెల్తీగా ఉంటాయి మనం వాడే ఈ ఫర్టిలైజర్స్ కన్నా వాటికన్నా. ఇంకా మేము అసలు ఏమి వాడం, పెస్టిసైడ్స్ కానీ స్ప్రే చేయటం కానీ ఏమీ చేయం.
We are making all roads green. For that we are planting lot of trees and plants for which we are using this same vermicompost. So we are self sustainable in usage of protection and usage of vermicompost.
The positive spirit towards solid waste management is successfully reflected in the vermicomposting activity of the Vijayawada Municipal Corporation and can become an inspirational model for the country.